And speaking of money to pay for all of this, stunning chart. I have promised you liquidity will be back. Check this. This is China. This is debt to GDP. It's about to hit 300%. And China will start selling its first batch of 1 trillion yuan, which is 138 billion per tranche of ultra-long specialized sovereign bonds this week as officials ramp up efforts to support the world's #2 economy. They're going to print money to support the economy. They're going to grow it. And that's why certain Chinese stocks have done really well over the last week or so. The stocks see this happening and they go up. Now, when we live in a world where one central bank is going to print a truckload of money, what will the others do? Of course, they're going to follow it. You might as well just print out of thin air and just prop up your economy.